You wake up every morning feeling stuck, trapped in a life that lacks fulfillment. You put on a mask, pretending everything is fine, but deep inside you know something is missing. You see others around you experiencing remarkable success while you continue to struggle, wondering what their secret is. But what if I told you that the key to unlocking your true self and achieving remarkable success is within your grasp? That's right, Dr. Joseph Murphy's groundbreaking insights hold the power to transform your life and take you on a journey of self-discovery like never before. In this gripping video, we will dive deep into Dr. Murphy's profound teachings and reveal the untapped potential residing within your subconscious mind. We will explore the impact of self-image on your life and experiences and how it shapes your reality. But that's not all. We will also unveil the secrets of harnessing your subconscious mind power to create the life you've always dreamed of. Imagine having the ability to manifest your desires, attract abundance, and overcome any obstacles standing in your way. Are you ready to break free from the chains holding you back? Are you ready to unlock your true potential and embrace the remarkable success that awaits you? Then hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to embark on this incredible journey of self-discovery and transformation. All right, let's begin. Dr. Joseph Murphy, a renowned psychologist and author, firmly believed that self-perception and understanding one's identity were crucial elements for achieving success in life. According to Dr. Murphy's teaching, discovering our true selves holds the key to unlocking a multitude of benefits. It can lead to financial stability, career progression, stronger relationships, and ultimately, a remarkable life. Within each individual lies a mental image of themselves, which Dr. Murphy referred to as our self-image. This self-image is not fixed or unchangeable. Rather, it is malleable and can be transformed when it no longer aligns with our desired ideals. Our self-image is formed through a complex interplay of past experiences, both successes and failures, as well as how others have reacted to us. Think of our self-image as a cognitive map that guides our actions, emotions, and behaviors. It influences how we perceive ourselves and, in turn, dictates how we navigate through life. If we perceive ourselves as capable, confident, and deserving of success, our self-image will drive us to take actions that align with these beliefs. On the other hand, if our self-image is one of doubt, insecurity, or inadequacy, it will limit our potential and hold us back from reaching our goals. In the following segments of this video, we will delve deeper into Dr. Joseph Murphy's insights and practical techniques for transforming our self-image and harnessing its immense power. Get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery, personal growth, and the realization of your dreams. Our self-image is a powerful force that significantly influences our lives and experiences. It's fascinating how external circumstances often align with and strengthen our self-perceptions. When we believe ourselves to be confident, capable, and deserving, we tend to attract situations and opportunities that validate these beliefs. On the contrary, if we hold a negative self-image, it can create a cycle of self-fulfilling prophecies, leading to a lack of confidence and missed opportunities. The good news is that we have the ability to alter our thought patterns and transform our self-image, which can result in drastically different outcomes in life. Rather than solely focusing on manipulating external circumstances, the process of self-image change begins by turning our attention inward. By working on our inner selves, we can generate profound shifts that reflect in our external reality. It is fascinating to note that a human being is essentially composed of entirely new cells every few years. These cells carry the memories of our identity and past experiences, passing them on to succeeding generations of cells. This continuous physical renewal gives us the opportunity to shape and redefine our self-image. One way to initiate this transformation is by exploring self-image traits and characteristics that resonate with our aspirations. By identifying the qualities we desire to possess, we pave the way for self-improvement and personal growth. This process involves delving deep within ourselves and uncovering the beliefs, values, and behaviors that align with our true potential. To solidify these changes, we can create a new script for ourselves in situations where we have previously struggled. This entails incorporating empowering information and positive reinforcements that modify our behavior. By reconstructing our mental script, we can shift our perspective, boost our confidence, and approach challenges with a newfound sense of strength and resilience. Visualization is a powerful tool in reshaping our self-image. By vividly imagining an imaginary scene, we can create rich sensory detail that reflect how our desired self-image would behave. This visualization exercise helps us emotionally connect with our aspirations, allowing us to embody the qualities and characteristics we seek to manifest. In addition to visualization, we can observe actors or role models who embody the traits we desire. By studying their posture, attire, gestures, and mannerisms, we can gain valuable insights into how our desired self-image would express itself. This observation serves as a valuable reference point for us to align our behavior with our desired self. Consistent practice is crucial for reinforcing the changes in our self-image. By engaging in daily mental rehearsal exercises for at least 5 minutes a day, we can strengthen the neural connections associated with our desired behavior, making it feel more natural and intuitive over time. We possess an incredible power to choose change and transformation in our lives by altering our memories and beliefs. Our memories and beliefs shape our perception of reality and influence the actions we take. By consciously reevaluating and reshaping these aspects, we can open ourselves up to new possibilities and experiences. Did you know that each cell within our body acts as a transmitter, emitting signals according to the directives it receives? This communication allows us to interact with the external world. It's a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness between our physical selves and the environment around us. By changing the instructions we give to our cells, we can actively shape our physical form and attract what we genuinely desire in life. This concept suggests that we have the ability to influence our health, our relationships, and our overall well-being by consciously directing the signals we transmit to our cells. While this may sound simple, it is important to note that our subconscious mind plays a vital role in this process. To access and reprogram the subconscious mind, we often need specific language and repetition as cues. Our subconscious mind is highly receptive and designed for rapid learning. This characteristic is beneficial to consider when we embark on transformational processes. Consistency, repetition, and utilizing effective language become key factors in creating lasting change. Think about high achievers, those individuals who consistently excel in various aspects of their lives. What sets them apart? Research suggests that high achievers tend to think in productive ways and embrace positive attitudes towards themselves, their lives, and the universe. They possess a mindset that focuses on possibilities and growth. They believe in their capabilities and invest energy in positive thoughts and actions. Friends, here we conclude our video. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey as we explored the impact of self-image on our lives and experiences and learned how to harness the power of the subconscious mind for life transformation. We hope that the insights and techniques we shared have resonated and sparked a newfound sense of possibility and potential. If you found value in this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences related to self-image and subconscious mind power. So please share your comments in the section below. Your feedback inspires us to continue creating content that empowers and supports you on your manifestation journey. Until we meet again in our next video, remember to keep manifesting. Your dreams are within reach, and with the right mindset and tools, you can truly create the life of your dreams.